Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to create image to video with Grock AI Assistant. If you've ever wanted to bring your static photos to life, this guide is for you. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be making your own animated masterpieces. Let's start with the basics. Grock AI Assistant, built by XAI, is a powerful tool that can generate images and now turn those images into short videos. Imagine taking a simple picture, maybe a landscape or a character, and watching it move with realistic animations. That's the power of creating image to video with Grock AI Assistant. First, how does it work? Grock uses advanced AI to analyze your image and add motion. It could be subtle effects like wind blowing through trees or dynamic actions like a person walking. You access it through the Grock app or website. Just upload your image, add a prompt describing the desired movement, and let Grock do the magic. No fancy software needed. It's all AI-driven. For example, say you have a photo of a serene mountain lake. With Grock AI Assistant, you can create image to video where ripples appear on the water, birds fly overhead, and clouds drift by. I tried it with a city skyline image, and Grock turned it into a bustling night scene with cars zooming and lights flickering. So cool. Another example, a portrait of a superhero. Grock animated it to show them leaping into action. These examples show how versatile creating image to video with Grock AI Assistant is. Now, the benefits. Why bother? It's perfect for content creators. Boost your social media with eye-catching clips without hours of editing. Businesses can make quick promo videos from product shots. And for fun? Turn family photos into animated stories. Plus, it's accessible. Free tiers are available, with premium options for more features. Creating image to video with Grock AI Assistant saves time, sparks creativity, and levels up your digital game. Here are some tips to get the best results. First, use high-quality images. Clearer inputs mean smoother videos. Keep prompts simple at first, like add gentle waves to the ocean, then experiment. Second, try different styles. Grock handles realistic, cartoonish, or abstract. Third, edit if needed. Combine Grock's output with free tools like CapCut for longer videos. Practice makes perfect when creating image to video with Grock AI Assistant. Wrapping up, we've covered how to create image to video with Grock AI Assistant from start to finish. It's easy, fun, and transformative. Give it a shot and share your creations in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.